Hey guys, welcome to my channel and finally our wait is over. Oppo Reno 3 Pro get ColorOS 11 Android 11 update. Okay, to update it, first go to settings and a pop-up over there on settings will show you that a new software update is available. Okay, to update it, first go to settings. Okay, now slide down and you can see over there a pop-up is available in software update. Tap on it and you can see ColorOS 11 Android 11 update. It is of size 3.21 GB. Here you can see, and here's the about this update. Here's the update log. Personalization, high efficiency. You can now drag text, image or files out of a floating window or from one app to another app in split screen mode. Okay, and is the improved performance. Added AI app preloading. The system predicts which apps you will use next and preloads them for faster launch speeds. And this is for system. You can see added tone tunes, consecutive notifications tunes will be linked to form a single melody. Okay, and here's the launcher. You can now remove a folder or combine it with another one. And edit filters for draw mode. You can now filter app by name and install time or usage frequency to find an app more quickly. And here's the security and privacy. You can now turn app lock on or off in quick settings. More powerful SOS function is available now. Here you can see optimized permission manager. You can now choose allow only once for sensitive permissions for better protect your privacy. And here's the games, and if you see in games, added immersive mode which reduce disturbance while gaming, so you can stay focused on your games. And you can change the game assistant call up method. Okay, and this is the communication. You can share your personal hotspot with others via QR code. Okay, and if you go in photos, optimize the photo editing feature with upgraded algorithm or more markup effects and filters. And in a camera, if it's in camera, edit shortcut to instantly share and edit photos or videos you just took. And edit the inertial zoom feature which makes zooming smoother during video shooting. And edit the lens strain detection feature. And here's the edit the level and grid feature to help you compose a video. And if you see in accessibility, here you can see edit the two finger swipe up gesture to quickly call up accessibility function. And edit sound amplifier. You can amplify faint sounds and soften sounds when wearing earphones. Okay, and this is the must knows. To reduce the risk of data loss, we recommend backing up your personal data before the update. And it is normal for your phone to heat up slightly during the update. Once the update is complete, your phone will quickly cool back down. And if you encounter any problem when using the new version, you can report them using the feedback app. And after the update, some third-party apps may not function properly because they are incompatible with Android 11. We recommend updating them to the latest version in Google Play. And guys, I would like to inform you that before installing an update, make sure that your battery level must be 100% and above. And I would suggest to install it via Wi-Fi network to prevent additional data charges. Okay, now I'm going to download it now. It is of a size 3.21 GB. It is a large size update. Now tap on download now, and you can see downloading start. It might take some time. It is a big size update. You can see the date is also shown 8/1/2021. This is the Color OS 11 Android 11 update in Oppo Reno 3 Pro smartphone. If we slide from top, here you can see you can also pause this downloading. I would like to inform you that it is a big size update. It might take some time. And I would suggest you install it via Wi-Fi network connection to prevent additional data charges. And we can see here, if we see about this update, your system will be upgraded to ColorOS 11 and Android 11. Infinite Design offers a personalized, efficient and smooth user experience. And guys, I would like to inform you that this is the official ColorOS 11 Android 11 update which you get in Oppo Reno 3 Pro smartphone. This is the official OTA update. Okay, now downloading is 50% completed. So you can see 100% completed. Now the upgrade package is successfully downloaded. Okay, now you can see download completed. Now tap on update now. Okay, now it is verifying the upgrade package and it will restart for boot after it to install the new ColorOS 11 Android 11 update. You can see updating. Please wait. Please don't do any other operations. It might take about 2 minutes. This is the New Year surprise for Oppo Reno 3 Pro customers. And I would suggest you please don't do any other operations during updating. Now it might take some time. Okay, so password required when phone restarts. Okay, now enter password. So here you can see it is a finishing update. The all new UI of Android 11. Here you can see this is the all new UI of Android 11. Okay, so carrier location services, permission requests. Okay, now if we go in settings and you can see your color OS, your style. This is the personalization new feature is available. And if we go in software update, so in top here you can see system updated, try it now. You can also share it, successfully updated to CPS 2035/11/C.14. so here you can see this is the ColorOS 11. Android 11 is successfully updated in your mobile. So here you can see now the Android version is Android 11. So now the Oppo Reno 3 Pro is successfully updated to Android 11. Okay guys, so now the Oppo Reno 3 Pro is successfully updated to Android 11. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.